Hello everyone, in this tutorial, we will be looking at how to add order tracking page on WooCommerce. The purpose of this tutorial is to help WooCommerce store owners learn how to add an order tracking page to their online store, so customers can easily track the status of their orders. By adding an order tracking feature, store owners can improve customer satisfaction by giving buyers a simple, convenient way to check on their orders, reducing the need for customers to contact support for updates. In this tutorial, the process is explained using two popular plugins, WooCommerce Order and Shipment Tracking, and Advanced Shipment Tracking. The tutorial walks users through installing and activating these plugins, setting up the tracking options, and customizing the information displayed to customers. It also shows how to select default carriers, edit the message that customers will see, such as their tracking number and delivery status, and how to choose where to display this information on the website. Additionally, the tutorial covers how to manage different order statuses, like processing or ship, and the ability to send customers automatic email updates about their orders. By the end of this tutorial, store owners will have learned how to easily add a professional order tracking page to their WooCommerce store, providing their customers with the ability to track shipments directly on the website. This feature enhances the overall shopping experience, builds trust, and reduces customer anxiety about the status of their orders, all of which can lead to higher customer satisfaction and loyalty. First of all, as you can see, I'm signed in here to my WordPress dashboard, and I have installed the WooCommerce plugin. WooCommerce is the e-commerce plugin for WordPress that you install to create your e-commerce platform or website. To add a tracking page, we are going to do so using a plugin. Go to Plugins and click on Add New Plugin. This will open up the plugin store, and in the search plugin bar, type WooCommerce Shipment and Order Tracking. You will get many plugins that allow you to track the shipment and order page on your WooCommerce store. This is the one we want to go with, WooCommerce Order and Shipment Tracking. Let's go ahead and install it. Now, it is installed, so let's activate it. Once activated, the plugin appears by default. Let's search again for the same keyword, WooCommerce Shipment and Order Tracking. This time, let us install the highly rated Advanced Shipment Tracking plugin, and we will review both of them. Once installed, let's activate it. It redirects me to the plugins page, and as you can see, the plugin is now installed. It shows the order shipment tracking, system status, and options to install the premium version. The version we installed is the free one. Now go to Order Shipment and Tracking. This will take you to a page where you can set up options like the default carrier. For this video, let's type in UPS. You can also edit the message that will appear for your clients, such as your order has been picked up by carrier name on pickup date. Your tracking code is tracking number. Live tracking is available. You can choose to display this at the top or bottom of the product list. You can save these options after setting them out. But it is important to note that some of the advanced features of the plugin are only available for premium users. For example, the free version of the plugin provides basic functionality, such as the ability to add tracking numbers and choose a carrier. But certain features that can enhance the customer's experience are locked behind a paywall. If you want access to these premium features, you will need to upgrade to the paid versions of the plugin, which costs $69.99 per year. The premium version unlocks additional capabilities such as more customization options, advanced tracking features, better integration with various carriers, and the ability to manage a larger number of orders more effectively. These additional features can provide a more professional and seamless tracking experience for both the store owner and the customers, which can be especially helpful for larger stores or businesses that ship a high volume of products. So while the free version can work for smaller stores or those with basic needs, the premium version offers a more robust solution for businesses looking to offer a top-notch order tracking experience. Next, let's supercharge customer experience by installing TrackShip for WooCommerce. Click to install it, and once installed, click on Activate. Now go to Plugins, Advanced Shipment Tracking to see how it sets up your shipment tracking page. This plugin also asks you to upgrade to Pro, but let us check the general settings. Here, you can set up actions like adding tracking order actions for statuses such as processing, completed, partially shipped, and updated tracking. You can also send emails to customers about their order statuses like completed, partially shipped, or updated tracking. Under the Shipment Tracking API section, you can set how dates appear for tracking updates, ensuring it matches your preferred style. You can also enable PayPal tracking available in the Pro version, which shows tracking information directly in PayPal. The plugin lets you choose from a list of available shipping carriers, such as UPS, FedEx, or DHL, so you can use multiple carriers for shipments. Additionally, you can import a CSV file with tracking details for bulk orders, saving time. As with the Yi plugin, you can upgrade to the Pro version for extra features, including more carrier options and advanced customization. Once the plugin is set up, go to the Plugins section, find TrackShip for WooCommerce, and click to connect your store. You will need to log in with your TrackShip account details or sign up for an account. So after setting up either of the plugins, your order tracking page will be ready and accessible to your customers. This means that once you have configured everything, your store will have a fully functional order tracking system, and customers will be able to easily check the status of their orders. Both plugins provide various customization options, allowing you to fine-tune the tracking page and its features according to your store's needs. For example, you can edit the important settings like the system status, which shows the current status of the plugin and whether everything is working correctly. Additionally, you can manage log files, which can help you track errors or monitor the performance of the plugin over time. The WooCommerce Order and Shipment Tracking plugin takes it a step further by giving you more control over the order shipment tracking experience. You can manage the details of your shipments, including the carrier use, tracking numbers, and delivery status, all from one centralized dashboard. The plugin also offers more advanced options, such as customizing the messages displayed to customers when they check their tracking page. If you opt for the premium version of the Yi plugin, you'll unlock additional features that can enhance your tracking system even further. These premium features may include more carrier integrations, advanced reporting tools, and additional customization options, allowing you to provide a more professional and efficient tracking experience for both you and your customers. By upgrading to the paid version, you can fully leverage the potential of the plugin, making it an even more powerful tool for managing your store's shipment and keeping your customers informed. That's how easy it is to install plugins to add an order shipment or order tracking page on your WooCommerce store. Keep in mind that if you decide to use either the Yi or TrackShip plugin, you may need to upgrade to the paid version to unlock the full feature set. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.